Hi guys, so the next load of footage you should see will be me fitting these into my Golf. Looking to possibly push around about 2,500 watt for them. I know they're only rated for 15, but they will take more if you give it clean power. I think the Golf should be capable of about 2,500 with my extra battery in there. So we'll give it a good test. That should be able to shake a building just about. So I'm probably going to end up splitting the footage I've got so far in 3 parts. So just know it's in 3 sections. I will continue after that, but the 3 sections will span over the 6 months that I've been working on it for so long time. But yeah, it's very hard to get the footage and do the work at the same time. So I will definitely compile this together so you guys can see it a lot easier. But just know it was 6 months worth of footage in 3 separate videos. You can see that goes in there, but we are doing a replacement with this. So you have bolts there, and one down there, and one right underneath. So I've just installed one of these speakers. You can't really see it too well, but as you can see, I've got an adapter. Goes into the speaker. I just had some shorting, and I'll tell you why I had shorting. Because there is, I'll take the speaker out. That's the speaker out. There's a rubber grommet underneath here. Right there. You can't really see it too good. Some cameras. Yeah, you can see it. Basically, there's a rubber grommet in there, and it's for this. So this attracts into here, a rubber grommet that's in here. That rubber grommet, for some reason on the outside, was soaking wet, and it's been raining here. And what happened was, after that got wet, it then shorted these two out. So I'm now going to turn the speaker to the side, so it's no longer going to short her out. But yeah, just something to think about if you're putting your own speakers in this. Right, so this is one of the other little tools I need for my audio system. This is, don't need the box anymore, hydraulic crimper. And this is something that I really do need. What it basically does, it's hydraulic, it crushes down the terminals. So I can make my own terminals on whatever cables I have. But yeah, this is what was needed. You can see it's not a light or a small bit of kit. It's a very big thing. So when I do it, I'll do a bit of footage with this. I need to learn how to use it first myself anyways. Yeah, there you go. There, just put on the cabling. It's really, really, really soft, like paper soft. Need the battery out to get to it though. Hey guys, so I'm doing a late night video of what I've been doing. I know you can't see a lot, but let me just explain to you what I've done so far. And I've got another phone for light, so I can at least show you something. So basically, today I spent the time running one of the power cables I have in the corner here. I think it's this one for power. Straight into my amp with the amp on the top, 2 speakers. I will be venting the board because I know obviously the bass pressure is only going to go through this. No, it's not going to go through this. What I have done is the middle seat, because this is a Golf, it's been put down in the middle, so it is venting into the cabin, so I'm getting some bass pressure. Also at the moment I'm just crimping cables, as you can see, for the speakers. So I've got all of those to do. But that is just literally just to get the absolute basic, because tomorrow going to Mod Nats. I just needed something up and running. That was my answer to that. Just before I let you guys know,